Hey there, here is the trending app in finance called TradingView, where you can easily track all markets. And let's just install it. And you can see 160,000 plus ratings here. It's in top charts in finance. Chart, chat, and trade the world. In a nutshell, we are where the world charts, chats, and trades markets. Or 50 million people use our social network and supercharts to make better, brighter decisions when they trade. Download our app to access free charts, alerts, advanced watch lists, plus discuss latest trends with other traders and much, much more. Here's full feature list. Then you can see that you can discover uh, the charts, watch list. You can get access to a lot of data and all of that. Here you can just see, like you can follow all the different stocks. You can discover and mark up some trading ideas, some news analysis, alerts, and all of that. So let's just go in here. So here you can just see how it looks like. You can just see some notifications. And then here is your watch list, similar as you have on standard stocks app. But then, yeah, for example, we can just go and see and track Tesla, and then you can just see the performance, for example. You can see some news related, you can see some ideas, so like some ideas, then you can discuss all of this with people. All of this is not like a professional advice, guys. I'm not like a professional trader, but for you just to discover the app. Then you can just follow someone here, and to follow someone you just need to upgrade. Yeah, and then you can just see the charts, for example, for Apple. Then you can just see ideas. Then you can just see news, and then you can just see menu here. So yeah, enabling dark theme. So yeah, this is the idea. Start free trial. There is a free trial. There are settings. There are different languages here. So yeah, that's just basically the app in a nutshell, how you can get started. You can of course add it to your watch list, but to access majority of features, you will just need to upgrade. To sign up first. So there you have it. Hope that is helpful.